today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file for Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim Special Edition. So you can start the game with all items and location already unlocked. Check my video description for this 100% save. Right click on the downloaded save and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now go to documents, my games, Skyrim Special Edition. Drag and drop this saves to desktop to take backup your game progress. And now open this 100% save, Skyrim Special Edition. Drag and drop this saves inside this location. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load, show all saves. Select this number 1 and select yes option to load this game. And as you can see, we successfully loads the 100% save. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.